Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for mastering finance and business management. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth, build your business, or sharpen your skills, we've got you covered with practical tips, expert insights, and actionable strategies. Let's embark on the journey to success together. Which is best? Saving versus investing at $200 weekly. Are you ready? Introduction. Every week, you save or invest $200. Sounds simple, right? But what if I told you that decision could mean the difference between financial security and lifelong wealth? Today, we'll dive deep into saving versus investing $200 weekly. By the end of this video, you'll know which strategy is right for you and how to maximize your money's potential. We'll even look at real-life examples to see how these strategies play out over time. The power of saving. Let's start with saving. If you set aside $200 every week in a high-yield savings account with a 4% annual return, you'll have about $10,400 saved in 1 year. With interest, that could grow to approximately $10,800 without any risk of losing money. Savings are perfect for short-term goals or building an emergency fund. Imagine this: John, a 28-year-old, saves $200 weekly for 3 years. He ends up with $31,200 plus interest, enough for a down payment on a home or a new car. However, there's a catch. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Even if you're earning interest, the real value of your money might decrease. That's why saving alone might not be enough for long-term financial goals. The power of investing. Now, let's look at investing. If you invest $200 weekly in a low-cost index fund with an average annual return of 8%, that $10,400 a year can grow to $64,000 in just 5 years. Over 20 years, you're looking at nearly $250,000. Take Sarah as an example. At 30, she starts investing $200 weekly into an S&P 500 index fund. By the time she's 60, her investments have grown to over $1 million. That's the power of compounding, a concept Einstein once called the eighth wonder of the world. But here's the flip side: investing comes with risks. The market can be volatile, and there's always the possibility of short-term losses. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, many investors saw their portfolios drop by 30 to 40%. The key is to stay invested and let time smooth out the bumps. Saving versus investing, how to decide. So, how do you decide whether to save or invest? It depends on your financial goals and timeline. If you need the money within 1 to 3 years for emergencies, a vacation, or a big purchase, saving is the way to go. It's low risk and ensures your money is there when you need it. On the other hand, if your goals are long-term, like retirement or wealth building, investing is more effective. The longer your money stays invested, the more it can grow. Real-life comparison. Let's compare two friends, Emma and Jake. Both earn $50,000 annually and decide to put $200 weekly toward their financial future. Emma saves. After 10 years, she has $100,000 in a high-yield savings account earning 4% annually. Jake invests. Over the same period, Jake's $100,000 grows to around $156,000 in the stock market, assuming an 8% return. The difference: Jake's portfolio has outpaced Emma's savings by over $50,000, thanks to compounding. But remember, Jake also faced more risk. If he needed the money during a market downturn, he might have had to sell at a loss. Combining strategies. Here's the good news: you don't have to choose one or the other. A balanced approach can give you the best of both worlds. For example, allocate $100 weekly to a high-yield savings account for emergencies and the other $100 to investments for long-term growth. This way, you're prepared for life's unexpected expenses while still growing your wealth over time. It's all about balance and knowing your priorities. Tools to help you start. There are plenty of tools to help you start saving and investing. Apps like Ally Bank offer competitive savings rates, while Robinhood and Acorns make investing accessible, even for beginners. Automating your weekly contributions ensures you stay consistent, one of the most critical factors for success. Final takeaway: saving and investing $200 weekly might seem small, but over time, it can transform your financial future. Whether you prioritize safety with savings or growth with investing, the key is to take action. Start now, stay consistent, and watch your money grow. Thank you for watching Sapric Your Finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights on finance and business management.